Is there such a thing as too much drizzle? Oh, Catman's back.
Hi, Catman.
Hi, Catman. That's a cat.
Yes, indeed. Microwave for you.
Thank you very much. Catman appears to be eyeing the exit.
Hi, Catman.
There goes the cat. Right, back to business. Well, hi there guys, and welcome to another video. So guys, I've purchased for my kitchen a Samsung microwave oven. Shall we open it up, set it up, and give it a go? Yes. Right, let's open this bad boy up. White box, standard. The box has a size, bit of tape. It has a depiction saying don't place a shoe on top of the box, otherwise it will shatter in this manner. That side is not sealed. Here we go. Oh, that came apart very, very easily. Right, opening this bad boy up. The first thing we have in the top appears to be a turntable of some sort, perhaps for my funky mixes. Seems to be glass. Have to wash that and not break it. Then we have some standard expanded polystyrene, very standard, and a bit of wrapping. And then here appears to be the unit itself. Let's see if we can hoik that out somehow. Standard hoiking stance to protect the back. Very hoikable. Some good wrapping. A bit of static charge on that, just what we like. Seems to be very well protected. There seems to be lots of things covering it. Nothing else seemingly in the box. So this is the rear of the unit. A piece of tape has securely held the plug in place. Standard UK plug by the looks of things. The underside, some sort of vents of some sort. Caution, remove sharp edge after cover removal. Something about that. The sides, there is some sort of notice on the side, some sort, and nothing on the other side. The top of the unit, very plain indeed, and then the front of the unit, some sort of protected seal thing. And yes, well, anyway, let's go and get this in situ and take a bit of a closer look. Now, I have selected here, after long consultation with my wife, as the location for the new appliance. And I think that's a suitable location that I've probably pushed up against the wall. Now, let's begin by removing some of the stuff. Let's take this notice off. Now, what does this notice in fact say? This notice is provided in a large number of languages. It says, to perform its antimicrobial function, this product has been treated with the biocide substance silver. Well, that's good. Probably. Frontage. We'll take this off somehow. A couple of pieces of tape. Peel those bad boys. There we go. Is held in place by the doer. We'll have that off. The lovely protective films, we'll have those off. Oh, jolly goober. There's nothing more satisfying than removing a protective film to reveal a shiny underside. But I think that's about all from that side. Yes, there we go, another protective film. And one on the bottom. I think there's one on the bottom here, or was there? No, that's a door takes up the whole space. There we go. That's a beauty. Oh, another piece on the top. They have a lot of protective film. Oh, goodness me, it goes all around. So much. Oh, my goodness. Look at all this protective film. There's a lot of it. And I'm very pleased. Please be advised, I'm very pleased. Oh, there will be if I can get it off. Oh, yes. Perhaps I should have titled this video, Me Removing Protective Film, as that does appear to be the majority of the content right now. One more along the bottom. Okay, I think that's it. And if not, well, maybe it will get hot and melt later. Now what do we have inside? Inside we have the microwave oven user manual and of course the warranty card. There we go, that's the manual fully read. And, excellent, a piece of tape holding in place the spinning thing. The thing that the thing sits on to spin the thing. Yes, there's nothing else in there, I don't think. Let me go and grab the plate so that we might install it. What a jolly fine roly boy. There we go, that's docked beautifully. Right, then we will have a look at how this cable is currently held securely in place. More tape, of course. What a satisfying sound that was. Very hollow. Very, very exciting. And it appears the cable is simply folded over on itself. There we go. Right, well, let's plug it into the wall. And the moment of truth, as we dent it thoroughly. Oh, more tape. There we go. And lastly, throw the switch. Well, what a happy beep. There we have it. One microwave oven plugged in and powered on. Now, to think about something to put in the oven. Never fear, I found these broccoli fleuries and someone who wants to microwave them. Mate!
Yeah, mate.
You wanted to microwave some broccoli fleuries.
Sure, yes.
Oh, then please, do, go right ahead. Don't let me stop you. So, these come from the ground, I believe.
Unlike anything you've ever eaten.
Unlike anything I've ever eaten. I see they're very green. So these are in frozen form.
Yep.
And there are instructions on the correct way to turn them into animated foodstuff.
One option is to microwave them.
Excellent. Well, I'm sure you're familiar with the nuances of doing so.
Oh, absolutely.
And so it begins. Exciting.
It's very exciting. It's a little scary.
We're in the last 10 seconds, mate.
Wow. Moving fast.
end. So what do you think? What do you think is going to be in there?
Hopefully cooked broccoli. Looks hot.
It's hot, mate.
It is hot. Still a little frozen though.
A little frozen.
A little frozen.
More time?
More time.
Ah, so you're proposing to double the cooking time.
I am.
That's very
Double the
exciting.
cooking time. It is very exciting. Smoke the rest of my food can wait.
Last 5 seconds of the second round of cooking. End. Do you expect better results this time?
I do hope for better results. I don't know if I expect them. Yes, that is some cooked broccoli.
Wow.
Wow.
No profile. Are you pleased with the results?
I am pleased.
Well, there we have it. A microwave that can cook broccoli. Well guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you found it interesting and informative, and of course, as always, please do feel free to comment below and maybe even consider buying a Samsung microwave oven for your kitchen or other room. That's about it guys, so there's very little more for me to say today other than look forward to seeing you in the next video, and goodbye.